everything you know about traditional Nigeria moi moi. This right here, this beans and sweet potato moi moi is in whole new level. It is a game changer. It's very rich, creamy, naturally sweet, and unbelievable fluffy. The sweet potato added a melt in your mouth texture that turned ordinary moi moi into a five-star delicacy. This is one recipe you will not afford not to try. Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video. This is Vivian Recipe. How are you all doing? If you are new here, you are highly welcome to Vivian Recipe. All we do here is cooking. So in today's video, we will be preparing this sweet potato and beans moi moi. This recipe, you are going to love it. Please don't go without subscribing, just in case you are new to this channel. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. To all our returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you. So there is nothing difficult about this. Just blend everything. In this very recipe, I have my sweet potato, my washed moi moi, I have my sweet pepper, onions, I have a little bit of garlic as well. Just blend everything with habanero pepper. Just blend everything together. So I use the my meat stock, okay, as liquid to blend the sweet potato and the beans together. And as you can see, I also added crayfish. Of course, what is moi moi without crayfish? Of course. So I'm done blending. So I'm just adding salt, season powder. Then this, I'm going to be using palm oil. Okay guys, I decided to use palm oil. I'm just going to mix everything properly. So right now is well mixed. So I'm going to be adding boiled egg. I will also add fish. I will mix again. So it's time to wrap our moi moi. This is the last stage. After wrapping, then go straight into our cooking pot, and that is it. I'm not perfect when it comes to this wrapping, but lately I've been doing very well. Just like so. So I'm done wrapping all the moi moi. So the next thing is to add hot water, then start cooking. So I cook it for hour and 45 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes, okay? Here guys, we already have our moi moi well prepared. I'm going to be serving it with some fish sauce and pie. Look at that. It came out really nice. It came out really very, very delicious. Guys, let me know if you'll be trying this out. This is worth trying, guys, and you will love it. Eager like, yeah. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you all, guys. See you soon in another video. Bye.